Welcome to the land of fire and ice. Iceland is one of the world's most stunning travel destinations, perfect not only for thrill-seeking adventurers, but also for nature lovers looking for something unique and rare. Iceland is a Nordic island country in the North Atlantic Ocean, located in a volcanically and geologically active area. Its total land area spans nearly 103,000 square kilometers, making it the 106th largest country and the 18th largest island in the world. This land is covered by lava fields, mountains, glaciers, and sand fields. Iceland is the most sparsely populated country in Europe, with its contrasting northern lights, volcanic landscapes, silky dark black sand beaches, geothermal pools, glaciers, midnight sun, endless green stretches of land, and amazing wildlife. Iceland offers more than just a typical travel experience. So, come join us on WorldTravelPicks' genuinely magical journey to visit the most beautiful destinations in Iceland. Number 12. Vestrahorn. Vestrahorn is one of the few gabbro rock mountains in Iceland, located on the Stokksnes Peninsula in the far southeast along the famous Ring Road. The formation of Vestrahorn dates back 8 to 11 million years. Its name comes from its horn-like appearance, and it's also known as Batman Mountain, due to its three notable peaks resembling the famous Batman logo. Standing 454 meters tall, Vestrahorn is surrounded by a striking black tidal lagoon, offering a magnificent reflection of the mountains, making it a photographer's paradise in Iceland. Great wildlife, stunning hiking trails, a Viking village, and picture-perfect natural surroundings draw travelers from around the globe. Number 11. Seljalandsfoss. Seljalandsfoss is a powerful waterfall that cascades into a picturesque meadow along the southern coast of Iceland. It is fed by meltwater from the glacial-capped volcano Eyjafjallajökull. The waterfall cascades over steep cliffs and is surrounded by impressive natural landscapes. As one of Iceland's most famous and visited falls, Seljalandsfoss features a wide cavern, rocks, and a path that lie behind the falls, making it an unforgettable experience. Number 10. Vik. Vik is the southernmost seafront village in Iceland, located along the main Ring Road. This peaceful and scenic village is renowned for its captivating little church and is bordered to the south by the famous Reynisfjara beach. Among Iceland's many black beaches with silky dark sand, Reynisfjara stands out as a world-famous destination. Easily accessible from Vik, visitors can enjoy the breathtaking black sand beach while exploring this magical, tiny village. Vik is home to various bird species and marine life, offering opportunities to spot adorable puffins, sunbathing seals, or even dolphins and whales along the shore. Number 9. Hverfjall. Hverfjall is a tuff ring or tephra cone volcano in northern Iceland, east of Mývatn. This small volcano boasts an impressive crater approximately 1 kilometer in diameter. Easily accessible from the Ring Road, Hverfjall offers stunning views, especially when soft white snow covers its crater. Number 8. Kirkjufell. Kirkjufell is a uniquely shaped mountain peak on the north shore of the Snæfellsnes Peninsula. Its perfect location and dramatic appearance have made it the most photographed mountain in Iceland. Often called the Church Mountain due to its shape, Kirkjufell is enhanced by a nearby waterfall that doubles the mountain's beauty. The mountain's appearance changes with the seasons, making it picture-perfect year-round. Number 7. Skogafoss. Skogafoss, one of Iceland's largest waterfalls, is located a few kilometers from the south shores in the village of Skogar along the southern Ring Road. Skogafoss is a popular summer resort center surrounded by the scenic beauty of snow-capped peaks and 2 towering glaciers. On clear days, visitors can witness stunning single or double rainbows in front of the waterfalls. Number 6. Landmannalaugar. Landmannalaugar is a uniquely beautiful rock formation in Iceland's southern highlands. The colorful shades of pink, red, green, blue, and golden yellow give it an otherworldly appearance. Nearby lava fields, geothermal hot springs, and numerous hiking trails attract adventurous travelers throughout the summer. Landmannalaugar's stunning geological features are the result of thousands of years of volcanic activity, with rhyolite mountains made of quartz and silica, along with minerals like sulfur and iron, adding vibrant colors to the landscape. Number 5. Lake Mývatn. Mývatn is a shallow lake with numerous small islands, located in an active volcanic area in northern Iceland. As the fourth largest lake in the country, Lake Mývatn is known for its unique geology, serene landscapes, and diverse birdlife. The Mývatn nature baths are another highlight, offering panoramic views of the surroundings while soaking in milky blue thermal waters. Number 4. Vatnajökull National Park. Vatnajökull National Park is one of Iceland's 3 national parks, covering 14,141 square kilometers, nearly 14% of the country's total area. It is the second largest national park in Europe and home to Vatnajökull Glacier, the largest glacier mass in Europe. The park features rivers, awe-inspiring landscapes, glaciers, mountains, volcanoes, geothermal areas, and ice caves, creating a mesmerizing natural environment. Jökulsárlón, a large glacial lake formed by melting water from the Breidamörkur Glacier, is one of the park's most notable spots. Number 3. Reykjavik. The splendid Reykjavik is Iceland's capital and largest city, located on the southern shore of Faxaflói Bay. Its unique location makes it the northernmost capital in the world. Reykjavik, considered the site of Iceland's first permanent settlement, offers stunning sightseeing, superb museums, art galleries, restaurants, bars, shops, and whale-watching experiences. This vibrant city is a gateway to Iceland's wilderness and adventure, including the Geysir geothermal area, Gullfoss waterfall, and Thingvellir National Park. Reykjavik is perfect for exploring Icelandic culture, Nordic cuisine, lively nightlife, and legendary music scenes. If you seek a vibrant city with rich culture and traditions, Reykjavik is the ideal destination for your next trip. Number 2. Golden Circle Route. The Golden Circle is a renowned tourist route in southern Iceland, covering approximately 300 kilometers and stretching from Reykjavik into the southern uplands and back. It encompasses many of Iceland's natural wonders, including waterfalls, spas, geothermal areas, and volcano craters. The name Golden Circle originates from Gullfoss waterfall, one of Iceland's major waterfalls, where Gullfoss means Golden Falls in Icelandic. Key destinations along the route include Thingvellir National Park, the geothermal area in Haukadalur, and Gullfoss waterfall. Number 1. Blue Lagoon. The Blue Lagoon is located in an 800-year-old lava field near Grindavik on the Reykjanes Peninsula in southwestern Iceland. The lagoon's milky blue waters, contrasting with the stunning black lava fields, create a mystical, otherworldly atmosphere. The blue shade of the water results from its high silica content and is rich in algae and salt. Known for its healing and soothing properties, the geothermal spa maintains an average temperature of about 37 to 39 degrees Celsius, perfect for a relaxing bath. For more travel inspiration and detailed guides, visit WorldTravelPicks.com. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and TikTok for the latest updates. Subscribe to our channel for more adventures around the world. Happy travels!